A 30-foot support post leans against a wall, making a 65 degrees angle with the ground. To the nearest foot, how far from the wall will support post place? So let me first sketch what we have given. We have a wall and we have support post. So it will be something like this. This is ground. The wall and the ground will make one right angle. What else? We have that the angle with the ground, the support post, this is our support post, is making 65 degrees angle with the ground. So here we have 65 degrees. And the support post has 30 foot. We have to find how far from the wall will support post place. So we have to find this distance. Let's write that this is x. X is our unknown. We have to find x. We have here right triangle. So we will use trigonometric function because we have one leg of triangle which we have to find. We have angle and this is hypotenuse. We will use cosine function. Cosine 65 degrees, it will be length of leg adjacent to 65 degrees angle over length of hypotenuse. So this is equal, this is our x over hypotenuse is 30 feet. So let me rewrite this. We have that cosine of 65 degrees, this is equal x over 30 feet. And now we have in numerator, so we will multiply both sides by the numerator, 30 feet. So the numerator we will reduce and we have that x is equal 30 feet times cosine of 65 degrees angle. So now we will use calculator. We have 30 times cosine of 65. This is equal 12.67 and so on, because we have to have the answer to the nearest foot. So after decimal point we have 6. So we have to add 1 to the 2. So it will be 13 feet. This is my solution.